Hello my dear friends, welcome to the Queen of Natural Remedies channel. Today we are going to regenerate our face, get rid of pigmentation, pimples, wrinkles, dark circles, and it is really easy doing this remedy. We need grapes. I'm going to get some grapes, wash it and get its juice. So I am using such a mixture. If you don't have, you can use it with a fork. You can paste it with a fork and get the juice. In that way it smells very nice and it looks so delicious. You can also drink this. It is beneficial for your health, but today we are making a perfect remedy for our face, especially for your dark circles, pigmentation problems, sunburns, and wrinkles. We are doing this mask. The juice is ready. By the way, don't forget to subscribe the Queen of Natural Remedies, and if you touch CC to turn on subtitle, you can choose any subtitle in your language, in your native language, so it will be very easy to follow my videos. Let's go on doing this remedy. And if you want, you can just use grape without adding anything. You can use a cotton, or you can put it in a bottle and spray all over your face. And don't forget to use it on your hands. As we get older, age spots, wrinkles become so obvious on our hands, unfortunately. So every mask and cream, I use it on my hands also. And I am going to use it onto my face now. I am cleaning my face with this cotton pad that I put and wet in grape juice. You can use it every day if you want, or 3 times in a week will be perfect. I am cleaning my face with it and I am waiting to dry it on my face for 30 minutes. Just doing this, just leaving this on your face for 30 minutes will make your skin so tighten, so fresh. And as you see, we can make our remedy now. We cleaned our face very well, and 1 big spoon of grape juice, and now with the same amount 1 big spoon of cornstarch. Mix these 2 ingredients, and at the end of the video, if you want, you can learn the benefits of grape onto your skin. And now olive oil. If you especially have a dry skin, add half spoon of olive oil. Just 3 ingredients we used, but we prepared a perfect remedy to regenerate our face so quickly. Mix these 3 ingredients very well, and you can apply it on your hands with a brush if you want. You can also use a spoon or your hands to apply the mixture all over your face and your hands. And it's okay. Wait for 30 minutes on your hands. It will get dry. And you will peel it with water slowly. First warm, then cold water. And now wait for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I washed my hands and the water is sliding. I really feel the freshness and tightness and also whiteness of this remedy. Please try it as soon as possible. I'm sure that you will like the effects of this remedy very much. And now let's apply this perfect mask onto our face. As I always say, your face must be clean before every mask or cream application. Use a brush and apply it all over your face, your décolleté, your neck, and you can also use it under your eyes and your eyelids also. It will tighten your face. It will help you to get rid of these wrinkles and dark circles under your eyes. I'm not just applying, I also do the massage, cause this speed up the blood circulation and gives you time to get rid of these dark circles and wrinkles. If you want to learn the skin benefits of grapes, let's have a quick look. Heal sunburns, act as an anti-aging product, lighten blemishes and scars, remove pigmentation problems, lighten your skin tone, get rid of oily skin, remove acne and blackheads, reduce dark circles. It has very good effects for your skin. And wait for 30 minutes and wash firstly warm, then cold water and dry your face. By the way, don't forget to subscribe, like my video and open the notification. I will be very happy if you do this. I dry my face. We cleaned our face with grape juice. Then we prepared a perfect grape mask with cornstarch and olive oil. Wash it, and now lastly we are moisturizing our skin. And in this cream I also use grape. If you want, you can watch it in my first channel, Hobby Fun. I'm leaving the cards on the right side of the video. Grape seed. I prepared such a perfect cream that I'm sure you will like it. While doing this grape mask, you can also prepare this cream as well. It will be so practical for you. It tightens your face. Apply it all over your face, your neck, décolleté, and under your eyes and your foreheads. As you see, there are some wrinkles, but while applying it, do your massage and get rid of these wrinkles as much as possible. Hope you all try this and get rid of dark circles, wrinkles, and pigmentation problems, blackheads, and acne. Hope you all try these remedies and tell to your friends that I have a good channel and I want you to follow it. I will be very happy. Don't forget to write your comments under the video. Share your results with us. Take care. Bye-bye.